My name's Matt Thomas. I'm a senior project engineer in the civil team at Main Yard here in Bowen Hills. So the balloon loop's been a long-standing part of the operation of the Main Yard facility. So this work that we're doing as part of Cross River Rail is a major change to the way the yards function. And as part of our work here at Cross River Rail, we'll be actually closing the balloon loop access into Main Yard. That's replaced by a new shunt road, which allows trains during operations and maintenance to move from one side of the western yard to the other.
The importance of moving the balloon loop purely came down to building the Cross River Rail lines. So the balloon loop was purely designed for trains to come out of Main West and twist them. So if you've got a train driver travelling forward, they'd go around the loop and then they'd come back the other way and it would twist the train. So that way the front becomes the back and the back becomes the front. And what we had to do is find a way to keep that functionality going for Queensland Rail while we tried to build the Cross River Rail lines between that yard. To support it, we had to build a Main Yard West shunt neck to enable the operations to be very similar to what it would have been like using the balloon loop. Over that Christmas, New Year's break, 28 days, we absolutely changed the look and feel of Main Yard East. There's been over 9 months planning to remove the balloon loop, and it included things like 850 metres of rail line that's been there for a very, very long time. We're talking close to 100 years. We pulled down many, many masts and overhead wiring, and we had to reshape that whole entire area. Once we got that landed and we had the possession now planned, the rest was about bringing in heavy duty machinery and then flatten the area ready for its use. Today, there's a road being built there to service most of that yard, and we're now in a good state to start building the Cross River Rail lines on either side of Main Yard East.